Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. And today we're going to be talking about the top 3 EV companies that you should invest in. Before we start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investing journey together. So today we're going to be doing a video about the top 3 EV companies you should invest in. And we're actually going to start off with Tesla. As you guys know, Tesla is the #1 pick. And the only reason I feel like Tesla should be the #1 pick, and a lot of people should have Tesla in their portfolio, is Tesla is the co-conspirator of the whole EV industry. Tesla founded in 2003, didn't see a profit for a long time, and now it's sitting at 4 profitable quarters. The last 4 quarters were profitable, making this company a lot more appealing to investors. A lot of people did not believe in Tesla. A lot of people thought Tesla was going to go bankrupt. Now look at it. It's a huge company and it's known worldwide, now expanding to Europe and China. The market cap continues to grow more and more every day, and Elon Musk is taking the company super far places. If you guys don't know, Tesla produces fast EV luxury vehicles, and they're actually very nice. And the thing is about Tesla as well is, not only are they just producing vehicles, they're actually rolling out a truck, and they're actually going to start making their way into the semi-truck industry as well. Battery-powered semi-trucks, which is going to be a huge market. And Tesla continues to grow more and more every day. Looking at the 5-year chart, it's up 699%. I mean, that's an incredible gain over a 5-year span. And since Tesla was so successful, it is going to lead a lot more companies to actually try to replicate the business model in itself. And the great thing about Tesla is not only is it continuing to get analyst upgrades, but a lot of people are bullish on Tesla, and it has a lot of big time investors behind Tesla. Tesla's business model is a good one, meaning that people are going to try to replicate it, which is why a lot more EV companies are starting to IPO, come out of the water. I think Tesla is a very good buy, and I actually do recommend having Tesla in your portfolio. Obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal recommendation. But Tesla is a huge growth story, and it has caught the attention of investors. Moving on to the #2 stock, we have NIO. So if you guys don't know, NIO is basically an EV company that's based out of China, marketing itself as the Tesla of China. As you guys know, NIO is actually very similar to Tesla. They produce fast EV cars, kind of more based on the luxury side, but this company just happens to be based out of China. And the cool thing about NIO is this company is starting to grow like crazy, and a lot of analysts continue to raise their analyst upgrades on Tesla or on NIO. A lot of companies keep raising the price targets on NIO because they know that the company is going to go far. Like I said, the EV market has been blowing up like crazy, and the EV market in general is starting to get a lot of attention. Look at NIO's 5-year chart here, guys. It IPO'd September 12th of 2018, up 194% year to date. And the great thing about NIO is if you've actually seen their cars, they're very, very beautiful, very fast, very modern. And I'm very curious to see NIO start expanding towards the United States. I know they're already starting to expand to Europe, so I'm very curious to see where NIO takes it from here. But like I said, NIO is a EV company you guys should have in your portfolio. NIO is a growth story, and the company is only going to continue to grow from here. As you guys have seen, Tesla has had a lot of success in the past couple of years. I expect the same from NIO. And the great thing about NIO, guys, it's only $17.69, making the stock a lot more appetizing to investors. Not only that, you guys have to understand that Tesla was at the same point at one time, trading around $15, $16 a share. Right before the split, it was trading around $2,300 a share. So I actually do recommend you guys pick up NIO. It is a huge growth story. And honestly, NIO has a lot more places to go. Like I said, coming up as the Tesla of China, the biggest rival for Tesla when it comes to the fast EV kind of luxury. And I know that NIO, if it brands itself the right way and it continues to grow in the path, I could see NIO being probably Tesla's biggest competitor. Obviously, that's my personal opinion, but I know that NIO's growth is there. So guys, make sure you invest in NIO. And the last company on this list is Workhorse Stock. So if you guys don't know about Workhorse Stock, this is an EV company that produces EV cars, and it actually does also specify in the airline industry as well. And the reason why I put Workhorse in here and the last one on the list is because I feel like this one is more on the underrated side when it comes to the EV companies. A lot of people talk about Nikola Motors, a lot of people talk about Hyliion and stuff like that, but I feel like Workhorse is very slept on when it comes to the actual EV market itself. This company IPO'd in December 11, 2015. Up 233% the last 5 years. Taking a look at the 1-year chart, guys, it is up 515%. Absolute crazy growth story. And the reason why I feel like Workhorse is slept on is because a lot more people tend to focus on more of the EV companies that are kind of more, advertised, and they come up more often and stuff like that. But if you guys have been checking the news lately, Workhorse is actually in the talk with a huge deal right now. It's with USPS, the United States Postal Service. And the great thing about this is Workhorse, on top of other EV companies, actually do have vehicles already made. They've passed all their licenses and stuff like that. So they actually have vehicles on the road. If they do land this USPS contract, it's a $6 billion contract, and Workhorse is going to roll out 180,000 vehicles. I know a lot of people are waiting for this deal, and I do expect Workhorse stock to actually get the deal. Hopefully, if Workhorse stock does land this deal, it is going to be so huge for the stock, and the growth story is going to be there. I could see this stock absolutely just doubling if it actually does land the USPS deal. So I'm very curious to see where that goes. But on top of all that, guys, Workhorse is still an EV company producing EV cars. And as you guys know, EV has been blowing up like crazy. I mean, even on Friday's trading session, the stock is up 11.54%, making the stock super advertising to investors. And I know once it lands this USPS deal, and if it does, this stock is actually going to get a lot of analyst upgrades. The reason that Workhorse and USPS are actually in talks of a deal is because USPS, their little cars they're getting pretty old, and they cost a lot for maintenance and to keep them up. So getting this deal with Workhorse would actually save USPS a lot of money, and I will make videos updated on that. But with that being said, these are my top 3 picks for the EV companies you guys should actually own in your portfolio. Like I said at the beginning of the video, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal recommendation. And just because I did not list an EV company on this list does not mean I am not bullish about that specific EV company. But these are just my top 3 picks when it comes to the actual EV industry. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys. What is your favorite EV company?